Okay, guys, good evening and happy Sunday. This is the last Sunday of the month, and this will be the fourth week we have been doing this consistently. And what have we been doing on our weekly analysis on gold and GPSD? So, on this current video, I'll be showing you again our weekly analysis for the last week of November in conjunction with the first week in December. All right, let's see what market is going to do. Without wasting our time, let's go straight to the screen. But before we do that, we used to do a recap of what happened last week. And I must be sincere with you guys. I mean, market did the exact thing we analyzed, we forecasted last on Sunday for the last week. Yeah, it did the exact thing, exactly. So let's check. Let me just show the video to you. You can always go back to the end and check it. You always have it at the screen. Let me just put it on the full screen so that you can watch and see that no, these things they are like they happen like happens. You see, at this time, I was saying that these are one of the possibilities that we're likely going to have in the market. The market will come to that level I'm pointing to, which is the weekly level. That the moment market gets to that weekly level, it's likely that market will just bounce up back from that place and go to the next weekly level up. And maybe from that, we are obviously, I said we're going to have some reactions there. That if market did not close above it, we have some reactions, and market will do what will continue downward. Like you see the chart that the path that you drew is still here. I didn't delete it all through the week. I was intentional, but I didn't want to do that. I feel like okay, I'm going to show my YouTube subscriber. This seems like no, is they don't nothing is fake here, nothing is fake here. So you see what happened? This candle open on Monday. You can see this is Monday, 20th of November. This is a daily. I'm on a daily time frame. I'm using daily to daily is like a lower time frame to weekly time frame that tells us everything that happened during the week. So see what happened on Monday. The first thing that market did was actually to follow this path. It did what market came down. Let me zoom so that you can see clearly. You see that market did what came down to that level, almost to that level that I said came down. When I talked it for the rest of the week, it started what it bounced back up. And you see this. This was what I said. This is the path that it was going to go back up. It bounced back up, and it came to this level. And from this level now, I said we are obviously going to have a reaction and come down. And that is where we are having it from now. So this week, let's start from the weekly. We start from the weekly. We know that the monthly time frame is better than we are bullish. So there's something we are seeing currently on the weekly time frame. I told you that if this market should bounce up, let me just delete this pattern I just showed it to you now. Let me delete it now. Let me delete some of the trend lines here. Okay, so I was saying that one of the things that we are likely going to have is this will come to this level. And now that we have it at this level already, I see what happened. It touched the weekly level and it closed below it. This closing below it suggests things to us that before it at least goes like for the fact that it has closed it, we are going to have a reaction like this. Possible reaction that we are going to have this week is something like this. We may have there's a weekly level, open and close level here that we may likely have this reaction. The market to come to this place before it continues, or better still, just keep going downward. And the other scenario that is likely that we have is Monday candle will open and we'll check that on a daily time frame. But this is telling us that for the market to close below it, it's telling us that it's like that we might be doing a few of sales this week, like sales this week. Like we might be doing that. So that is what this is actually showing us. And it's forming something like a double top, yeah, double top, yeah. And if I want to form an hem, let me zoom it in for you. Like if I want to form something like this, like an hem, it's likely that is what you want to form around this place before we continue. And it did something like this, so it might want to complete this leg and then anyhow, like that will react to whatever the market is saying. All right, so let me show you the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame to check that out. All right. Okay, so yeah, so this other candle, the last candle that we have here on the daily time frame, like our zones are still very valid. The one we drew last week are still very valid. You can just refer to that other video. So this candle did not get to this daily time frame. So it's likely that on this point of the daily time frame, this is what we'll have like this week. Market to continue and comes to this daily time frame. Then if market now closes below this daily time frame on Monday, so that means we'll be having sales. It will sell like at least this level before it continues upward, or better still, keep on selling all through the week. Whichever way, let's keep our mind open. The market's always there for you. Don't shoot out of your risk appetite, and know that you always have opportunity to make the market. So keep your mind open. But this, don't forget, anytime you see the market closes above this, I mean to say, if market open and close above this daily level, we are at least come to this next daily level around 2020. So you should. But if it did not close above it and it closed below it, give us a week that is the body is below this zone, then we are coming down. All right, I will see you next week then. Keep on making the market. Bye-bye.